morning, guys. Let's see, what day is it today? 26th, I believe. I believe. Yeah, 26th. Ooh, too bright. Whoa, okay. 26, it's 9:53. Today, I had to take my high schooler. They're on vacation. All my kids are on vacation right now, but I had to take my high schooler to tennis practice today because they have a meet. Tennis meet, I think is how you say it, tennis meet. Today, or not today, this week. So they needed practice, so I took him. I just sold 2 items, so here's one package. I don't have my shipping tape, but here's one package, and then I'm getting this one ready. Let me show you. Turn on the light, or open the shade. I sold this one. This one here from Justice. It's a tie-dye shorts. I sold that one. So my sales have been pretty good. I can't wait till I'm able to sit and get all my stuff done. I was going to focus in on my room today, but I don't know because my mom's coming down with my sister-in-law, and we're supposed to meet up at the other house around 2-ish, but I'm going to try and leave a little bit earlier because I need to start steam cleaning the carpets over there, just certain areas. Is he laughing?
No, he's crying.
What happened? Crisis diverted. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go earlier over there because I'm gonna steam clean carpets. And then my mom's and my sister-in-law are gonna help me with the kitchen, which is a blessing. A blessing, because yesterday I did my kitchen, and I'm telling you guys, it was a lot of work. It was an extremely amount of work, but it is done. The only thing I got to do really in my kitchen, to be honest with you, is I'm going to buy some more contact paper, and some of the bottom shelves needed it, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, but at least everything's put away for now and everything's good. So yeah, I just need to make sense a little bit more of my room, because let me show you. So there's the closet. It's kind of some of my eBay stuff here. Just, you know, I remember this dresser, guys. This is the one that was in the dining area, the one my husband and I redid. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it here because I need to be able to have somewhere to put my clothes until I can get my dresser done. We got boxes here by the door, here. My TV is on my eBay table. I still have all that over there. So that's how that's looking. I was on the Ulta website, guys. I was trying to see what the deal was for today. Tomorrow I will be ordering from Ulta. So that's how it's looking. Still pretty rough. The bathroom is really bad. So you could see still have stuff everywhere. Look at that. But yeah. And there's Judo. But it'll get done. It'll get done little by little. It'll get done. And like, you know, the kids not having school, it kind of helps because, you know, I'm not on a schedule. It was so nice today too, because, you know, part of the reason why I wanted to move down towards this way was because of the school situation. And it was so nice when I had to drop off my son at school today and for his tennis practice, and it was just a hop, skip, and a jump. It was so nice. So, you know, things are finally, you know, looking up, and I'm really blessed, and I really feel good about it. And yeah, you know, I was telling my kids, we were talking about when we go visit the old house, sometimes it looks really small, and I always talk to them and tell them that, you know, it's you have to look at it and think, you can appreciate what you have now, you know, what you have today. You know what I mean? It's like you want to remember that. You want to remember where you came from so that you can appreciate what you have in the moment and today. And today they have good sized rooms, and I'll show you the rooms once it's all done. But it's a blessing, and it's it's not about arrogance, like, oh, look at where I live. No, it's about where did I come from, and then you can appreciate. Like, I already appreciate my room, even though my room is a disaster. As you can see, I appreciate this so much. I appreciate my laundry and my washer and dryer being inside the home. You know what I mean, and not in the cold garage. You know, and that's because I appreciate where I came from. I don't forget where I came from, and that's what I'm trying to teach my kids. You know, be blessed, be grateful for what you have, but always remember, you know, you build on things like this, you know, you build on it. And I just want them to be aware of it, you know. I don't want them to feel entitled, you know. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, let me see who's okay. It's my husband. I need to take a couple pictures. Anyways, guys, I've been yapping it up for 4 minutes. But yeah, I really feel, I really feel blessed. I really, truly do. I really do. It is a lot of work, though. It is a lot of work. And sometimes I feel like a one-person crew because my husband works and my kids help out tremendously. They really do. They really do. I'm very blessed. Okay, my friends, that's it for right now. I'm going to go ahead and actually put some makeup on and actually do my hair a little bit. And even though I'm going to go work in the other house, I want to just kind of perk up. The other thing too, guys, we are going to face the scale today. Today we face the scale. So, okay guys, I shall return. Okay, so I'm going to be going, I did my hair. Oh, feels good to have a little bit of makeup on. Just a little bit. I am gonna go to the other house. Hold on, it's gonna be dark here. And meet my mom and my sister-in-law up there. Because they're gonna help me with the kitchen and I'm gonna steam clean. But I'm taking like some waters and just some snacks. You know, some of it's gonna be carbs. I had my breakfast and I had eggs with bacon. And that always fills me up. But, you know, I'm just going to do the best that I can. I weighed myself and just as I suspected, but I thought it was going to be worse. Even though I was hoping for 196, I really felt like I was more like 200, 199, 200. And, you know, I have a lot of inflammation. So, but when I got on the scale, it was 195.8. So I'm doing pretty good. I think what's helping me obviously is a lot of the movement, a lot of the stairs, a lot of carrying, a lot of working and things like that. But I also think it's intermittent fasting because I don't really eat until about 1 o'clock. And then that's when I eat. So I'm just gonna take some snacks. I don't. Some snackies for me. Well, you get your snack, whatever you want. I'm just gonna take some snacks. I'll take some fig bars. I have these organic, non-GMO fig bars. I know figs have a lot of sugar, but I'm gonna be steam cleaning. Savannah, can you pick up that water bottle that's down here? It's a new water bottle. I know my mom is going to come already eaten. So that's good. I don't know what cleaning products I have over there at the house. I don't know. The duster. That's over there. The duster's over there. Everything's over there. Except I don't know if I have any like glass cleaner and things like that. So I'll take mine. I'll take me some Zivia. All right, guys. Let's head on over there. I'm gonna bring some water. Can you put 2 Zivias in here and maybe like 3 waters in here, please? All right, so let's head on out. I'm gonna go to the car and I'll meet you in the front, Aiden, so you can shut the garage door. Oh, those are on the other one. God. Okay, guys. Savannah. Make sure the dogs go out to go to the bathroom because they ate. All right. You're going to meet me out there, right? All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and shut off here and then I'll be right. So I shut the door because I have music on. But this is Evan's room. I'm in Evan's room. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum, steam clean the walls. The ceiling fans are okay, but the walls are pretty bad. They're pretty bad, so I need to get going on that. My mom's still not here and my sister-in-law, but I sprayed the oven with a oven cleaner, so that's set, you know, that's being soaked. And I feel really weird being here already. Just feels different, you know, feels really, really different. But okay, I'm gonna get to work because I really want to leave and get to unpacking my house. Okay, be back. I'm in my car. Ooh, too bright, too bright, too bright. Too dark, maybe? Okay, I'm in my car. I steam clean the house. It is 4:45. I steam clean the house. Not, like my room was good, but just the high traffic areas. The living room was good, just high traffic areas. The only room that really was pretty bad was my son's room. That, my Aiden's room. That one was pretty bad. But a lot of it came up. And I'm done. I'm tired. Did you find it?
No.
Okay.
Smells like a barbecue.
So right now my mom and my sister-in-law are just gonna clean up the kitchen. Thankfully, but everything is pretty much done in there. It's basically just wiping down a little bit. And that's it, really. The house looks pretty good. I wanted to show you, I wanted to give you the tour of the empty house. Maybe I'll come back when my husband comes and we'll do a quick tour of it all empty. They're going to spend the night. So my sister-in-law and my mom are going to spend the night. Well, it's my mom's house too, but she doesn't have her bed or furniture or anything.
Yes.
Okay, so do you want to text Dad real quick and see if we should wait for him to eat? Can you text him real quick on my phone, honey?
This is really good.
Huh?
This is really good.
Yeah, it does. And then, so we're going to be headed home. My feet are throbbing.
Okay, bye.
No, I'm not done talking to them yet.
Okay, bye.
Okay, guys, I'll see you at